To have great audio, you must always use headphones. You want to hear what's going on. Your audio is just as important as your video. Your headphones, scroll down like this, has adjustments for different head sizes. You want to take the end of the headphones and plug it into the camera. Open up your camera and put it into the headphone jack, which is second from the screen. And you are ready to listen to all the videos that are being made. However, right now, I hear a buzz sound coming out of the headphones. Headphone port sometimes serves as an AV port if you were to connect this camera directly to a TV. Sometimes the camera settings will default to this port to be an AV port. So when you plug in the headphones, you'll get this horrible buzzing sounds that we have right now. To fix that, we need to go into the menu settings and tell the camera to treat the port as a headphone port. The way you do that is you come over here to this little side menu here, kind of looks like a house. You press that and go over to these two little tools, scroll over to the two little tools, and the two little tools are called Other Settings. Press that. And there's a wrench up here. You want to hit that wrench just right there. And it's a little touchy, but kind of scroll down to where it says Headphones. There's Headphones, and hit that button. And now, right now, it's set in the AV. You want to click on Headphones itself. And zero out. And that did it. You cannot hear the buzz anymore in the headphones. When you're done, unplug. As always, close the door so you save the battery. Be very good about closing everything up. Curl it up nicely, place it into your Pelican case, and you will have great audio for your videos. We are always ready to assist you and help your media program grow. At any time you need assistance or have questions, please contact through our website at secctv.org or call 916-920-1006. My name is Trevor, and thanks for watching.